Thank you 1,000 times. We never expected something like this.
Back-to-back days of giving back to very unique communities.
We are the F.D. Newton Veteran Firemen's Association. We also preserve other things that represent the history of the fire department. The engine behind me is the Falcon. It was built in 1868 and was Southborough's first fire engine. And the organization was created by a group of Southborough firemen in 1959 around the Falcon, and it's evolved from there. We actually take them out to competitions throughout New England and compete against other hand tubs.
These windows are from the 1800s as well. And these were single pane, the glass was falling out. Not a lot of security, not a lot of comfort within the club for the association members. We're replacing the 6 double hungs that are here. We all know what Habitat is all about, creating stable, safe housing for folks that may not have that today.
I grew up in Worcester, Massachusetts, where we are today, and it's great to be here on familiar street. This is our 3rd project for Habitat with Renewal by Anderson. It's a 2-story home, roughly about 1,200 square feet. We're installing a total of 16 windows.
We're trying to build affordable housing for low-income families, and when we pass the keys to the owner. And that end ceremony is the one that's most meaningful to me, because a lot of people gather around. Everybody who helped construct the house is there, the family is there. There are often words of appreciation and gratitude, a few tears of joy. Thank you so much to Renewal by Anderson for donating the windows.
The way they came out to do this is just unbelievable, unbelievable, and it just shows you what a fantastic organization that Renewal by Anderson is.
It's important to give back to the community in situations like this to show that we're part of the community. We're one with them. We're going to come together shoulder to shoulder and work on their properties with them.